and good afternoon. Welcome to another self-care episode. Today we are going to be working on an avocado face mask. But before we get started on today's workshop, let's go over some of the supplies you'll need. For our face mask, you need 3 simple ingredients, and then you'll need some supplemental ingredients. So you'll need some raw honey, some rolled oats, of course, an avocado. I don't have a cutting board, so I'm going to use a paper plate to cut the avocado. Your mixing bowl. I also have a spoon and a fork for mixing as well. Tablespoons for measuring, and we're going to use a knife to cut the avocado. First, you'll need to get your avocado as well as your knife. Be very careful. And you're going to go ahead and cut your avocado in half. And for your avocado, you kind of want it to be ripened so that way it's easier to cut. I do have a serrated blade, but if you had a blunt blade for your knife, all you want to do is very quickly hit your avocado seed and then twist the seed a little bit to take it out. But because my avocado is a little bit soft, all you have to do is just use a spoon to scoop out the seed itself. And then you'll go ahead and get your avocado as well as a spoon just to scoop out the insides into your bowl. Now, this face mask does make a lot, so we are going to only use about half of the avocado. And once you have that in your bowl, you're going to get 1 tablespoon and get some rolled oats. Put that in your bowl as well. And then you also need 1 tablespoon of honey. Go ahead and add that as well. And once you've added that, I'm going to use a fork to mash my avocado a little. You could also use a potato masher to do this, or a food processor. But I like to do my face mask by hand. And once you've mashed your avocado, all you need to do is grab a mixing utensil and mix everything up. And once you've done this, all you need to do is go ahead and apply it generously to your face. Let that sit for a good 20 minutes. And then once the avocado mask is set, all you need to do is just go ahead and wash off your face. Thank you for joining me on today's self-care episode. We worked on an avocado face mask utilizing avocado, honey, and rolled oats. So some of the benefits to these is that the avocado itself is going to moisturize your skin, reduce inflammation, as well as help with acne. The honey itself contains a lot of antioxidants, and it also is antibacterial properties that help reduce pores and blackheads. And then the oats itself is great for exfoliating your skin as well. After the 20 minutes of the avocado face mask being on your skin, you're going to just wash off your face. Follow it up with your favorite facial care products. I like to use Rosewater face toner. So that's my skin tone, my skin measurement. And then I will put a link to our homemade rose water as well as face toner in our video description. So if you would like to work on that, you're more than welcome to. But again, thank you very much. I hope you have a good rest of your day. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to all of our social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and much more. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.